Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI and I'm all dressed up today to show you this awesome Kitonet two-piece suit. I absolutely love it. I like that it has the two buttons in the jacket and the two openings back here, which I personally like. And right away you can tell that it's very good quality. The fabric is amazing. I'm going to show you up close so you can see the pattern of the color navy that it has. And I love it. I really like it because navy is such a basic color to have in your wardrobe because it goes well with anything. The navy pants go with any color jacket. The navy jacket can go with any color pants, and you can mix with any color shirt or tie. So if you're looking for a great suit to add to your wardrobe, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.